Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain like how do we execute our computer graphics programs and also the projects. Basically, I have using the code blocks and installing the OpenGL libraries. Like there are two steps. First step it is the installing the code block software and then installing the OpenGL libraries. So let's go with the first step. Clicking on the link given in my description box, it will redirect to this web page and click on its download button and then this is a RAR file. You will get the zip file like this. Let me show that the zip file which I have been looking it for. Okay. This is the zip file that is WinBGLM library. This is the zip file. After downloading it, this will be the zip file. After getting downloading with the zip file, extract this zip file and you will get the CB Win GLUT setup. And clicking over it, you will get the certain files over it. Okay. The first one it is a code blocks that is the installer. Okay, application. Then double click on it and then click on the S which will be redirected on your screen. Okay, and then after clicking on S, this is the window that will be displayed on. That is next, you need to click on the next. Okay, and then these are the some certain license which we need to agree to it in order to proceed further. Okay, and then click on the I agree to this and then click on it. Don't go to change any of these default options because since it may reflect in the during the program execution, so let it be all the its options to be on. Okay, and then click on the next. And then also if you want to change the path, okay, you can browse it wherever you need to install this, but as of now I don't need to change anything. I will proceed with the default one, that is program files of x86. Remember this path. Okay, this since this path is required for the while installing the OpenGL libraries. Okay, program files x86 code block, this is the path, that is destination folder. And then click on the install. Since I have already installed, I will click on the S. Okay, it would take some time to install all the libraries which are required for the C programming, that is by the in the code blocks. Okay, it would take some time to install, like approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, wait until this. Okay, so so it is all downloading the requirement files that we need to and extracting all those. Okay, and it is it's completing the process. You can observe the green color. Okay, let me see that it is all extracting all the files. Okay, it is now finishing off. After completion, it would ask do you want to run code blocks now? As of now, we don't need to run the code blocks now because we need to install some OpenGL libraries to proceed with the CG projects. Okay, and then click on the no. Then you click on the next. So after complete So after completing the process, it will pop up the message like this, completing the code block setup. Okay, and then you click on the finish. So the first step of installing the code blocks has been done, guys. Now we need to install the OpenGL libraries. Okay, for that you go to the favorite browser. Okay, and then tap it over here. It is a Flick Drive. Okay, and then click on enter, and the first link that you see on the browser, that is the free blood project about, then click on this, and then this is the page that will be displayed on, and then you click on the download button. And when you scroll down, you can observe variety of packages, and among this you can see the pre-packaged releases, and under this you can observe the Martin Pence Windows binaries, MSVC and MinGV. Okay, and then click on it. After clicking on it, it will redirect to this page, and then scroll down. You can observe different packages that will be available in this. And then since we need MinGB package, you can observe that is a free GLUT 3.00 MinGB package. And under this, you can see the download free GLUT. When you click on this, the zip file will be downloaded. After downloading, this is the zip file, that is the file that is the zip file we would get. Okay, we need to extract this. After getting extract this is the free glut which will include the bin, include and library. These are the three folders that will be included in that FreeGlut folder. Now, first of all, you need to click on the include, and then you will be seeing the GL library folder, and then click on the GL folder, and you can see observe there are the four with the extension .h which are required for the open, that is glut.h, FreeGlut, std.h. Okay, copy all the four folders, copy, and then you go to the local disk C. Since we have installed as before, I have told that the code blocks has been downloaded in the destination folder, that is program files x86. You don't confuse with the program files and program files x86. Okay, you click in since while downloading, you can I have told that since it is downloading in the destination folder, that is program files x86, double click on it, you can observe the code blocks here, right? And then double tap on it, code blocks, and then you need to click on the min.gv folder, and you can observe there are many folders, and among these you click on the include folder, and here you can observe also many. Okay, then you click on the GL folder. Here you need to copy all the folders. Okay, you need to copy all the folders, that is, and then click on the paste. Okay, but whichever folders which you have copied over there, you need to click on the paste. After doing that process, and then again go back to that folder which you have been extracted. Okay, and then you click on the library, and then you need to copy these two folders, that is libfreeglut.ea extension and libfreeglut_static.e. Copy these both folders, and then go to the local disk again, and then it is a program files x86, and then again the code blocks. Again you go to the min.gv folder. Now you need to go to the library, and here you need to copy those two folders, that is we need to paste those two folders which have been copied earlier. Okay, after pasting this, these are the two basic steps, and then again go back to the FreeGlut folder, that is one, and then now you need to open the bin folder. Okay, in this you can observe that FreeGlut.dll extension. Copy that folder, and after copying that folder, and then click on the local disk, and then go to the Windows now. Okay, it's not the program files x86 which have been done earlier. Now you need to go to the Windows folder, and here you can observe the system 32 and system 064. If your system is a 32-bit, you can go here and paste it over here. Since my system is 64-bit, so you need to go to the sys 64-bit, and then you need to click on the paste button, and we need to copy that folder here. Okay, after processing all these three steps,